Hi students, this is Krishna Shastri, IIT Maths teacher. In the earlier class, we have discussed how to find out the LCM and how to find out the HCF for the numbers. Now we are discussing how to find out the LCM of fractions. So by using one formula, we can find out the LCM of fractions. The formula is LCM of fractions is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of numerators. LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Okay, this is the formula we have to use for finding the LCM of fractions. So LCM of numerators, so least common multiple of numerators by highest common factor of the denominators. So this is the formula for finding the LCM of fractions. So in that, you see, for example, we are taking for 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, we need to find out the LCM. So first, what is the first step? We need to take the LCM of numerators. So LCM of numerators. LCM of numerators. See, what are the numerators we have? 1 and 1. So for 1 and 1, LCM is 1. And then HCF of denominators. HCF of denominators. What is the HCF denominators? What we have? Denominators we have as 2 and 3. For 2 and 3, we need to find out the HCF, highest common factor. So for 2 and 3, in the earlier class we have discussed in the last class, for any two numbers we are finding the HCF, then smaller number we should consider as the divisor and the bigger number is the dividend. Now here 2 ones are 2 will be the least value 2 in the 2 table before 3. So 2 ones are 2. Now 3 minus 2 if we do, 1 will be the remainder. After getting the 1, if the answer is 0, remainder is 0, then this divisor will be the HCF. But here 1 is not, 1 is here, 0 is not remainder. So again by taking this as the divisor, this one we should divide. 2 ones are 2. Now if we subtract, 0 will be the remainder. Now HCF of 2 and 3 is, 2 and 3 is, how much we got? What is the value here we are getting as divisor? That is the HCF. So 1 is the HCF. 1 is the HCF. See, LCM for 1 and 1 we got as a 1, and HCF also we got as a 1. And also here the simple thing we can find out. See, if one even number and one odd number we are taking, then we can take the 1 as a remainder, 1 as the highest common factor. If in the numbers any number is prime number, then there will be the highest common factor is always 1. So here in this situation also we got as a 1. So this is the HCF and this is the LCM. Now if we do the find out the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, then LCM of numerators, that is 1, and HCF of denominators, that is again 1. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is 1. 1 is the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So whatever the fraction we are taking, divided by 1 is there. See, for example, 2 by 1 we brought, then the value will be 2. If 5 by 1 if we write, that value will be 5. Or else in any situation a simple value is there. If we want to take this as the fraction, then we can write this as the 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. So 5 is equal to 5 by 1, or 5 by 1 is equal to 5, we can say. Okay. Next. Next, we are going to find out the LCM for the values 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Now we are going to find out the LCM for 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Now LCM, by finding the LCM, we know the formula. What is LCM formula? LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. So now LCM of numerators, what are the numerators? Here numerators are 1, 1, 1. So therefore LCM also 1. LCM also 1. Okay. Now next is finding the HCF of denominator. So denominators, what we have? Denominators we have as 2, 4 and 6. In this, smallest number is small two numbers are 2, 4. In the 2 and 4, the smaller value will be the divisor and the next bigger value will be the dividend. So now 2 2s are 4. If we subtract, then 0 will be the remainder. Whenever we got the 0 as remainder, then here it will be the HCF of 2 and 4 is 2. We got. Next, again this 2 is only for 2 and 4 only, not for 6. Now we need to take the HCF for the 6. So for the 6, we need to take the highest common factor with these numbers. Means first for these 2 we need to find out the HCF, and then with that HCF we need to do with this. So the HCF we got as 2. This number if we write, then it will be 2. So here 2 3s are 6, then 0 is the remainder. Whenever we got the 0 as remainder, then this 2 is the HCF of 2, 4 and the 6 is 2. Now we got the HCF as 2 for the denominators and the LCM of the numerators we got as 1. So finally LCM of numerators is 1 divided by HCF of denominators is 2. So finally we can say LCM of, LCM of 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6 is, we can write as 1 by 2. Okay. This is the method how to find out the LCM for the given fractions. One more example we will say. The fraction, the formula is very important, simple. The formula is LCM of fractions. Whenever we are saying the LCM, then LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators will come as the formula. Next, one more example we will see. If any number of fractions are given, for all the fractions we can find out the n number of fractions also given, we can find out the LCM and HCF by using this method. One more example we are taking 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, and next is or else 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So now we need to find out the LCM for these given fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Now first step 1 is always writing the numerators. Numerators are 1, 3 and 5. So LCM of 1, 3 and 5 is how to find out the LCM. 1, 3, 5 we are taking here, and with for this 1 first with 3, 1, 1 and 5. Again now with 5, 1, 1, 1. So now the LCM is equal to here 3 into 5 is equal to 50. So LCM of 1, 3 and 5 is 50 we got. Next we need to find out the HCF of denominators. Denominators. What we have the denominators? We have the denominators as 2, 4, 6. Now first two numbers 4 we are dividing with 2, then 2 2s are 4, 0. Then with this 2 again we need to do with the 6. 2 3s are 6, 0 is the remainder. Now HCF is HCF of, therefore HCF of 2, 4 and 6 is 2. Now if we want to write down the LCM of these given fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 by using the formula LCM of numerators. LCM of numerators we got as a 15 and HCF of denominators we got as a 2. So finally the answer is, so for this answer is 15 by 2 we can say. Okay, this is the way of calculating or finding the LCM of the given fractions. Okay, next one more example we can consider. Now we will go for the if 4 are given. Those are example 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and 5 by 16 and 5 by 22. These are the given fraction and asked to find out what is the LCM. So now first numerators. Numerators are 3, 3, 5, 5. So LCM for 3, 3, 5, 5. With first 3 table, 3 ones are and 5 is not usable with 3. So 5, 5 will write. Next 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now all ones we got. Then LCM is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So LCM we got as a 15. Next we need to find out the HCF of denominators. So denominators are what we have 4, 8, 16 and 22. So now first we need to take as a 2 pairs. So for first 4 and 8 we are finding the HCF. So 4 2s are 8, 0 is the remainder. So 4 is the HCF. So we can take as HCF 1 as 4. HCF 1 is 4. HCF 1 for these two numbers. HCF for 2, 4 and 8. Next we are taking the HCF for 16 and 22. So in the next two second pair, 16 is the least number. So we are doing with the 16 divisor and 22 is the dividend. 16 ones are 16. Then remainder will be 6. Now with the 16, this 16 we should take as a dividend here. So after dividend, 6 is the divisor. So 6 2s are 12. 4 is the remainder. After 4, the 6 will be the dividend. 4 2s are 4 1s are 4. Next remainder is 2. Now 4 if we divide 2 2s are 4. Whenever we got the 0 as a remainder, so this is HCF. For HCF 1 we got as a 4 and HCF 2 is we got as a 2. So now for 2 and 4 we need to take the HCF. 2 2s are 4, then answer we got as a 0. Now HCF of, we can write as HCF of, what are the denominators we have? 4, 8, 16 and 22 is, we can write as 2. Now HCF we got as a 2 and LCM we got as a 15. Now if we take the LCM for the given numbers 3 by 4, 3 by 8, 5 by 16 and 5 by 12, as per the given formula, LCM of numerators, that is 15, divided by HCF of denominators, that is 2. So for the given numbers we can find out the HCF as 15 by 2 we can write. Okay, this is the way of calculating the LCM and HCF of the given fractions. Okay, thank you, children.